Susana Njoki Ndung'u uria uri na ukuru wa miaka 60 ni mucirithania wa igoti tugiru guku bururi-ini na njata yake ya utungata magoti ni ironekana terorete gucangararo na makiria kimabũrũri thutha wake kwamũrwo ni President William Ruto aingire kihitahitano-ini gia gwetha mweke wa gukorwo ari umwe wa acirithania 6 aria marethwo thiini wa thi niguo magatungata igoti-ini ria MBARA na WIKINAI ria ICC. Ithurano cia gwetha acirithania ya 6 cibangĩirwo Dithemba ya mwaka ũyũ na mabũrũri 125 kuma ituri citiganĩte cia thĩ nĩo magaikia kura, na angĩkorwo Njoki nĩ agathurwo agũtungata igoti-inĩ rĩu kuma mwaka wa 2027 nginyagia mwaka wa 2036.
The judiciary invited expressions of interest from all judges of the superior courts, subjected the applications to rigorous evaluation by the Judicial Service Commission, and transmitted the 3 recommended candidates for consideration by His Excellency the President.
I accept this endorsement with humility and gratitude. Proud to do so as a Kenyan who has dedicated her professional life to the service of justice and the rule of law and the protection of human dignity.
IGONGONA ria KURUGURIA KIHITAHITANO giki, President Ruto ni ataririe mwihoko munene uria bururi wa Kenya uri naguo hari Njoki Ndung'u, akiuga ati utungata wake uria wikuranire hamwe na ucamba wa gutua matua maritu ni maundu ma gukorwo makiiga Njoki mbere ya ng'ethaniri yake.
She has not shied away when it was the right thing for her to stand, even if stand alone. She stood alone.
Ndumiriri-ini yake Njoki augite ari na utauku mwega wa kiria kirabatarania niguo ahote, akiuga ati muthingi wa uhotani ugukorwo mbitwo maundu-ini matano, na akiuga ati ni haririe gutungata angikorwo ni akugia na mweke ucio.
The International Criminal Court requires judges that fiercely defend judicial independence to ensure that the court is not used a political theater but remains firmly anchored in the Rome Statute.
I thought I was persuaded that she was the right candidate. But after listening to her, I am even more persuaded that we have the right candidate. I knew she was good, but now I can confirm that she is the best.
Mwaka wa 2022 hindi ya githurano gia gwetha acirithania angi Kenya ni acuranitie gukorwo kihitahitano-ini kiu, no thutha wa guthurima maundu mothe gukionekana ati ni gwabataranagia bururi wiharirio na makiria, na riu thirikari yugite ati ni thagathagite kuiguithia thi ng'ima inyitirire Njoki Ndung'u.
Allowing the Ministry of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs to work in consultation with the Office of the President and the judiciary so that we could have sufficient time for reflection, for diplomatic alignment, and preparation of a stronger and more coordinated national effort.
The government is fully aligned, and the President has made it very clear that we have to go flat out to support your candidacy.
President augite ati Kenya ikoretwo iri muhari-ini wa mbere maundu-ini maingi maria marahanika thiini wa thi, na kwa muhiano akigweta kigomano kigie mogaruruku ma riera kiria kirigite gutabanio guku Nairobi, kigomano gia ica ikuhi kia Africa Forward Summit, na ningi akiuga ati Kenya noguo bururi uria uhetwo kanya ga gukorwo na wabici cia UN thiini wa gitaro giki kia Africa. President akionania mwihoko munene ati ngwataniro ya Kenya na mabũrũri mangi ni guteithiriria Njoki kuhotana.
My professional journey has always been victim-centered. At the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, I worked directly with refugees and asylum seekers and displaced communities whose lives had been shattered by conflict.
It's not about her, it's not about the next person, William Ruto or the other people, it's about all of us. And therefore, there are moments when we stand together as a nation, irrespective of all other considerations. This is one such moment.
Hadune Kameme TV retwa ria kwa Nekemani wa Gujiri.